Hey Mitchell. Hey, so what you want to do with this is sometimes you want to silver the tip a little bit. So before you touch the soldering iron to the plugs or tabs, you can just put a little bit of solder on the tip if you wanted to. That kind of helps the heat transfer. That's the biggest thing you want to think about is heat transfer. So you want to touch as much of that flat tip to the tab as possible. So it means you want to kind of hold it vertically up and down, align it with the tab so that it's got maximum surface area. You can touch the board with that. It's not going to hurt the board. It's just fiberglass. It's not going to burn or anything. If it gets a little hot, it's not going to hurt it at all. And then, so you want to get that flat tip all the way against that piece of metal, that tab, so it transfers that heat over. Then you count to 5. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Then on the opposite side, you should be able to touch the base of that tab, the base, not the top, the base of that tab, and the metal should just flow right into it. If it's not, then you can maybe turn up the power a little bit, or maybe go to 6 or 7. But usually 5 is should be plenty. But if it does appear to be getting too hot, like you do notice a little bit of like black or brown on the fiberglass, then maybe just go 3 or 4 or something. But yeah, it looks like you're doing really good over there. Just that minor observation of get that flat tip right up against that tab so you transfer the heat really fast. Otherwise, looking good. Thank you so much, dude. I'm excited. Oh, and please, what do you call it? Please, snap off the tabs on the front and back of the boards so that they just don't need to be there. And hopefully that's not a problem. You just snap them; they come right off. Right. Bye.